our today's topic for focus of the day is the fusion energy breakthrough. We will see why is it in use, what is fusion technology, then we will see difference between fusion and fission technology, what are the challenges which we face, then we'll talk about ITER, which is International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor, then we will come to our prelims question and the mains question as well. Before starting, I want you to know that as the prelims is coming near, so our coaching Analyst IAS is launching a super fast prelims batch to focus on the exam. The batch will start from 15th of January 2023 and the first 50 aspirants will avail 25% discount in their fees. This batch will monitor your progress with regular tests. So if you are serious about the preparation, you can contact at our given number or you can come directly at our office, which is at Old Rajinder Nagar, New Delhi. Now we will see why is it in use. So recently scientists in the United States have achieved a net gain in energy for the first time from a nuclear fusion reaction, which is considered as the most dependable source of energy in the future. So the experiment was conducted at Lawrence Livermore National Laboratory in the California. We'll see what is fusion technology. So basically the two nuclei of lighter atoms are made to fuse together to form a nucleus of a heavier atom. So they fuse together to form a nucleus of a heavier atom. So the fusion of two nuclei of a heavier isotope of hydrogen called tritium produces at least 4 times as much as energy as the fission of uranium atom, which is the normal process for generating electricity in a nuclear reactor. It is also a carbon free source and have negligible radiation risk. The energy is more in fusion than in the fission, and this is how the stars transmutes matter into energy in the universe. Now here is a diagram of what is fusion. So the hydrogen atom will fuse with the deuterium atom will fuse with the tritium atom and they'll form a helium atom. The neutral will be kept aside and there would be release of energy which is approximately 4 times higher than the energy which we get from the uranium. Okay, so now we will see the difference between the nuclear fusion and fission. So in the left side it is fusion and the right side there is fission. So what is fusion? So fusion means combination and fission means breakdown. So fusion occurs naturally and unless a friction trigger is present, nuclear fusion produces radioactive particles and two or more nuclei should be near each other in order to create energy for both to stick together. What is fission? So as I told, it is the breakdown. It does not occur naturally. It always creates radioactive substances as its byproducts which remains active for hundreds of years, and it needs to have a critical mass and a very slow neutron for the splitting to occur. Now we will see what are the challenges which we face with the fusion technology. So requirement of fusion energy. Fusion reactions happen only at very high temperatures. Creating such an extreme environment in the laboratory requires high amount of energy. So this energy is approximately 10 times higher than the sun. Okay. So now lower energy in these experiments. The energy released in such experimental fusion reactions have been lower than what we consume. Future potential. Use of the fusion process for generating electricity at a commercial scale is still 2 to 3 decades away. Shorter time for the experiment. It is very difficult to contain such an extreme high temperature for long periods. Now we will see what is ITER or International Thermonuclear Experimental Reactor. It is an international nuclear fusion research and engineering mega project aimed at creating energy by replicating on Earth the fusion process of the sun. When operational, it would become the biggest machine anywhere in the world. Currently, the ITER reactor is in the machine assembly phase. India joined the ITER project in 2005. The Institute for Plasma Research in Ahmedabad, a laboratory under the Department of Atomic Energy, is the lead institution from the Indian side participating in the project. This ITER is in France. Now we will see our prelims question. So the function of heavy water in a nuclear reactor is to slow down the speed of neutrons, increase the speed of neutrons, cool down the reactor or stop the nuclear reaction. You can type the answer in the comment section given below. Now we will see our mains question. With growing energy needs, should India keep on expanding its nuclear energy program? Discuss the facts and fears associated with the nuclear energy. You can write these answers and send to our number for analysis.